Hey guys, we took these three last time, the Yassafe, Rockford and Ruma 40, or 40 Ruma. This time we are gonna take the 50 Ruma, and if this goes quick and easy, then we might try the tri-circle, otherwise we'll do this separately. Let's see. But this time actually, let's try... Wrong one. Turn on a little bit more light in here. I don't think it will do anything, but then we have tried to have a little bit of light coming here from behind. And I think we can raise the camera just a little here. Alright, let's try. Actually, maybe this is big enough for the deeper hook here. It worked going from the back on the other Ruma, so maybe it will on this one too. I do not remember from the last time that I picked it. By the way, I would appreciate if some of you guys that also make videos, I would mention it. Mention the Christmas series. I mean, would be awesome. I know it's not everybody that remembers it, and I guess there's some newcomers as well, but yeah. Okay, by the way, while I was talking, I got a slight turn on pin 1. I'm not sure if that was an overset, but we'll try and keep going a little bit. That felt like an overset though. That didn't. Neither did that. That felt like a good click, so I don't think I overset anything anyway. Ooh, I think maybe the tensioner is stuck. No? Okay. then I don't know what is going on, because I don't remember this having spools or anything. Okay. I haven't tried this before. Okay, there we go. I am a little unsure if that was 4 or 5 I opened that one on. But yeah. Anyway, I think we will do the tri-circle in a separate video. But yeah, it's good to get picking a little bit again. Alright. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.